Yeah, that... Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I made a video on Superduro last week. And after that video I also crashed it. Lucky for me, I took the Austin Racing off an hour before recording the video, so got pretty lucky. But it was getting dark and yeah, it got a little bit crazy. I did a stand-up wheelie over that weighing bridge. So I did it the other way. And well, that gate where you have to go home, that came pretty close, pretty fast, and I used my front brakes a little bit too hard and yeah, lost the front wheel, crashed the Superduro on concrete. No bueno. But the old Austin Racing is okay. The other one got a little bit damaged. Not sure what else is damaged, but we're gonna find out now because it was dark when I headed home. Didn't have a front light, so pretty sketchy. Let's find out. So first look, it doesn't really look that bad, but it's got a lot of scratches and some damage here and there. Let's check it out. So the first thing I noticed, of course, is always, it's always the grips. They're always screwed, and I didn't have any brake and lever protection, so well, this is it's not in the right angle anymore. It feels kind of awkward, and it's got some rash. And also, can you hear this? Yeah, that doesn't sound that good. And one thing you don't want with a 177 or 75 or 180, I got some stickers, so I got more horsepower. Let's say just 180. So I got 180 horsepower. What you don't want is this. You twist the throttle, and it's not coming back. See that? That's not really what you want, you know? Look at that. That's not safe. That's not safe. So we gotta fix that one. Oh dear. So I guess we need some spare parts. Well, now it works. That was a problem. What the hell? That's still good. It's got a little bit of scratches over here, and I cleaned it after my crash, but only with high pressure, so there's still some concrete on there. And I was at my buddy's place. He's got like this giant construction. They do sand and digging and cranes and dozers, stuff like that. So that's where I made the video. But oh yeah, before I forget, like Willswood69, that's the same guy who won some beer, told me like, aren't you getting the Evotech engine guard? I was like, wait, they have engine guards for that? And turns out they got some steel or alloy, no idea what kind of iron it is, but they got some protection for that, so I ordered Evotech protection guard. I think I'm gonna get that in the mail tomorrow or next day tomorrow. Gonna look decent, gonna look nice. First, of course, gotta clean it all up. Let's check for some more damage. A lot of stuff going on over here, but fenders look decent. Gas tank all fine. Nothing going on here. Nice. But a little bit further down the way, this is where the trouble begins. Like these are the SW Motec crash protectors, and I bought them from my buddy used for about I think 100 euros or something like that. So $100, pretty cheap. As you see, what they all protected, well, they didn't protect that, and not really the fender, but yeah, the normal fender would have been here. So I'm guessing if you get these totally protected me for the impact. Look at that. That's so gnarly. Yeah, I crashed it. I went full send and I crashed it pretty decent. So look at that. Dang. And that. Dang. Yeah, so there's like a little chip here a tiny little chip. Ah, we got something over here. That's weird. Because I got the crash protection over there, and I got that scratch over there, like, that's weird. Maybe I had that before. No idea. Let's check out the brake. Yeah, also a little bit chipped. Foot peg. Yeah, also foot peg, a little bit chipped. Nothing going on here, of course, because, you know, foot peg bars, they all kept it a little bit together. Thank God, gas tank. Nothing wrong with the gas tank or the seat. Nah, I think that was bird poop. God dang it. Anyway, nothing wrong with the seat. Look at that. So those things did a really good job, because these guys are 220 euros. That's like 220 bucks, something like that. So they are god dang expensive. And I got pretty lucky, because right before I went, god damn mosquitoes, right before I went testing the bike, I was like, I gotta get the Austin Racing Titanium and decat off, because it makes way too much noise for, well, you can see where I live, like tons of people over here. So I got it off. An hour later, look at that. Oh, we got some more road crash over here. I'm gonna take it home really quick, because I had a little bit of coffee, and coffee doesn't work for me that good, mentally and physically. Also no bueno. So I gotta poop. I'm gonna take the Superduro home, clean it up, and poop first. Just did a poo poo. Very nice, very nice. As you can tell, yeah, it's crowded in my home garage. So gear, bike, me, Superduro, MG, more stuff, more camera stuff. I ain't got no place for that. Let's get it outside. Do you guys have one of these too? Like, for some reason they always break after a year when the warranty is out and doesn't seem to get a lot of water. The display is broken. It's not even, I think it's just a year old. I really don't like that brand. Next video, I'm gonna put a GoPro on my helmet, on my chest, on the back. I'm gonna take you guys for a ride. That's gonna be fun. God damn it, my shoes are getting all wet. I need a new pair of shoes, but I don't like to spend money on shoes. I spent money on the Dukes and motorcycles, so I hate spending money on shoes. Such a waste. What do you guys think? Do I need a new pair? Nah. Damn. So, here's my garden check. Decent. It's not that big. Whole lot of junk. Things to work. Things for the kid. Things for daddy-o. Yep. Well, that's my Husqvarna 2019 full factory. Look at that. Everything blue. That means full factory. It's been pretty dirty here for like maybe a month. Didn't ride it for a month. no time, other things to do. This thing is fun as hell and fast as hell. Really love it. Love it, love it, love it. My ride, kids' ride. Well, it's a Chinese AMG, and they all got crappy batteries, so I put a big ass motor battery in it. So the battery is like that big from all the way down here. It's huge. Normally these things run like 30 minutes. This thing will run like 2-3 hours now, so decent. But my kid Liam is only 2 years old, and I gotta lock this thing because he loves taking things out, hiding them in the sand, and I don't really like that. And he was in here yesterday because he said, yeah, look at that. He said he was gonna fix his bike, so he took all of my things out. If you leave me, I gotta fix that. Can't see that. He loves playing in this drawer, as you can tell. So yeah, that's also screwed up again. Let's get the Superduro in here. We need to make some space because we have to order some parts. I could take it to my buddy's garage too. Think about that. Oh yeah, let's take it to my buddy's garage. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, punch that subscribe button in the face, like, leave a comment if I made you laugh in this video. If I made you laugh, leave a smiley. Just leave a smiley. It can also be a down smiley. It can also be a good smiley. Have a nice day, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, have a nice week. Something else, wherever you live, konnichiwa, shishi, ni hao. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.